Artificial Intelligence, a guide for thinking humans. A practical book review for aspiring analysts and tech enthusiasts by Marco Giardina.
Artificial intelligence sounds like the future, right? But what's real and what's hype? In this video, I'm reviewing the book Artificial Intelligence, a guide for thinking humans by Melanie Mitchell. This book demystifies AI, showing what it can and can't do. This is the perfect guide if you're curious about AI or want to explore its role in data analytics. First big takeaway, AI isn't magic. Mitchell explains how machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms work in plain language. She cuts through the jargon and makes AI easy to understand. Next, know the limits. AI excels at specific tasks like image recognition, but struggles with general understanding. Mitchell emphasizes where humans still outshine machines and why that matters. The book also explores AI's history and evolution. Mitchell highlights progress and ongoing challenges. Finally, she discusses the future. What does AI mean for ethics, jobs, and decision making? Mitchell promotes critical thinking about AI's role in society and career impact. This book bridges the gap between tech experts and everyday readers. Understanding AI is crucial if you are breaking into data analytics or tech. This book equips you with the knowledge to stay informed and ask the right questions. Grab this book to explore the world of AI and its impact on your future. And if you want tailored guidance to build a data analytics career, I'm here to help. Let's make AI work for you together.